Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1967 Camaro SS. This Camaro SS is made by Auto World Authentics with that top quality we are used to seeing, and it's a little bit different from that Z28 I've shown before, the red one with the vinyl top. So let's take a look at it. But before I do so, please don't forget to give me your like, to subscribe my channel, and to click the bell for news. Let's take a look. The first thing that draws our attention is this bumblebee stripes with the SS badge, as well as a Camaro and a 350 engine badge in the front fender. This was a very nice Camaro, really. It had a 350 engine, which was a small block, but one of the greatest engines ever made. The wheels are the rally wheels we are used to seeing in those 60s and 70s Chevy cars, and Corvettes, Chevelles, and sometimes Impalas. This car really looks great. This door handle is a separate piece, as well as this door lock, but the lock here is cast in metal. So the interior, it's all made in red with an open glove compartment lid, seats that fold forward, red seat belts, headliner, sun visors, and all details that the interior of a car is supposed to have. The rear is very well detailed. The Camaro SS had the reverse lights right here instead of having here that was in a RS package. And the trunk is fully detailed with the plastic mat, rubber mat, spare tire, factory stamps, and stickers, and these very well made hinges. There is also a coat in here of some synthetic material, trunk lock, and gas cap, the outside trunk lock as well, which is very well made. Those tail lights are really very realistic. Wheels and tires, as we saw, are perfect, very well made. Left side, we can see the seats, steering wheel, which turns as we steer the front wheels, the gauges and the paddles, as well as rubber mat, all details that are supposed to be in a car. Door panels and inside panels are perfect. I really like this black color. And now let's take a look at the engine. But before we do so, let's take a look at this front here, which we can see a very fully detailed grille with the SS 350 badge. Well, the engine is a 350, a small block GM, which is a very good GM engine. As we can see, it's very rich in details, and this engine bay here is made with full details, very sophisticated materials, high quality materials, as we can see, and with a top quality, really. Depending on the angle you look at, you think you're looking at an actual car instead of looking at a model car. The hood itself, it's also very well made, as well as those panographic hinges with springs. The mechanism is perfect. It opens and closes correctly. The SS hood with the fake air intakes, windshield wipers and trims, they're all perfect and very well taken care of. Headlights and blinkers are very realistic. And the bottom, very realistic as well. Suspension is perfect. It works, actually. Steering system, the engine, starter, oil filter, tranny, drive shaft, and turns as we turn the rear wheels. Rear wheels, and the wheels actually have a plastic cone tires for protection. I'm going to leave for a while. The mufflers and tank are perfect, very well reproduced. So this is a very nice car to have in a diecast collection. I really appreciate this model. So I'd like to thank you for all views, comments, and likes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to leave your comments, and to click the bell for news. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye-bye.